Hey, everybody. Listen, I'm back. So excited. Coach Shanika Lynette here. Listen, today's video, okay, it's going to be a special treat. All of my subscribers or anyone that looks at this video, I am going to give you some exclusive information at what I am looking at as a coach, the plays that are setting up in the market. Okay, the plays that are setting up in the market that you need to be aware of so that if you know how to get in and you know what confirmations you should be looking for, you can stand to get thousands of pips. Okay, no, I didn't say hundreds. I said what I'm going to show you today is thousands of pip moves. All right, so if you're ready to rock and roll, of course, you know, go ahead and subscribe below. Listen, if you're looking for a coach, mentor, hit your girl up, okay? I always tell people, I'm not going to tell you that we're the best thing in the world because there's other people that's good, but we're the best, all right? Literally, funded traders, $1,000 days, thousands of pips. The coach that's literally cute and can get you paid. We're the best, all right? So definitely go ahead and hit the button down below to subscribe. And if you're looking for a coach, I'm always available. You can text Coach Me to 803-795-8361, or you can hit those links down there and you can go straight to the website, look at the services, grab your package, and we can go ahead and get started. All right, let's go. So listen, when I saw this moves happening, I was like, oh my God, I got to make a video on this. All right. Now look, I'm gonna go ahead and clear off my screen, okay, so that you can see it how you're supposed to see it. Let me clear everything off for you. All right. So one thing about the market, right? It always does the same thing that it does previously now. Okay. The market is full of patterns, right? Some of them are reversal patterns, some of them are continuation patterns, but the market is full of patterns. And then the other thing that the market is full of is zones. What is zones, Coach Shanika? Zones are places that the market likes to hang out a lot, meaning a couple of times the area of price likes to go to and hang out. I always say it's like unwanted family, right? They always like to come around Christmas, hang out in this certain area, this certain house until it's time to go. Okay, that's what the market is as well. Okay, but the plays that I am going to show you today, I don't know if other people are talking about them, but Coach Shanika sees them. Okay, so I'm putting y'all on game today. This is what I'm watching, and I'm watching a lot of them. All of the JPY pairs. Okay, all of the JPY pairs. They are at highs that they have not been at in years, guys. Okay, years. Right? What do you mean when you say they are at highs that they've never been at, Coach? Easy. Okay? See this yellow line? This is where Euro JPY is currently at. Let's go to the daily. Okay? It's been years. Okay? If you look down here at the bottom of the screen, let's get a vertical line. We are currently here, right? March 24th area, another line. Okay, and it really didn't touch there, so let's go here. Okay, May 31st, 2021. Okay, and then the last time it tapped that again was what? February 9th. I'm looking down here at the screen. February 9th, 2018. Okay, then again, 2017, 2016, and so on and so forth. Well, what does this yellow line mean? Okay, this at one point in time was a resistance level. Okay, anything that's at the top is normally the resistance level. Anything that's normally at the bottom is support levels. Okay? But we're not on a downtrend. So it's no need for us to draw our support line. We are currently on an uptrend. Okay? And so when I said I'm watching all the JPY pairs, is because let's see what happened every time price went to that area. When it was here, what? A massive drop. Okay? When it got up here, what happened? A massive drop. Okay? And the areas that it came close to, it still was a drop. Okay? It didn't come all the way up to the top on those areas, but that's still considered an area that we need to watch. Why? Because price has been there before. Okay? A couple of times. So it's areas that we mark off. What do I mean when I say price has been there before? Okay? This is an area that we watch. And let's change that color so you'll be able to see it. Okay? See? Price is hitting that line. Price is hitting this line. That's zones. Okay? Heavy zones. Price is hitting all through there. All right? We don't even have to go back any further. But if you want to, look. Okay? And even the top one. This is a trade that I am watching like a stalker watches their prey. Okay? Because if price is telling me that it normally comes to these areas and does massive drops, well, if we are up here and you already know, nothing just shoots straight up forever. It has to come back down. Okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to prepare myself. So once my shift of momentum happens, my retest happens, I am going to be prepared for the massive drop. Okay? And guess what? It's not going to be a couple of hundreds of pips. It's thousands of pips back down to the zone. Look, almost 10,000, 9,000 pips. Okay? That's Euro JPY. I told y'all I'm going to give y'all the game. What is Coach Shanika looking at? I'm giving y'all the plays. Odd JPY. Another one. Like DJ Khaled say, another one. Look, you already see. I already had it marked up. Look at what this thing is doing. Now, when have you ever seen this? This is just foolishness. Okay? All type of imbalanced areas. Now, we ain't going to talk about imbalanced stuff this call. We're going to wait. That's going to be on another video. But just look at it. I mean, nothing just shoots up like that forever. So what are we going to do? We're going to position ourselves, wait on our shift down for our impulse, let it retest, and we're going to be waiting for the massive drop. All right. Now, we were able in my group, I was able to call out signals for RJPY, CHFJPY, and EuroJPY the other day, and we literally caught almost 1,100 pips because I saw the first retest that happened. Okay. And we got in. Now, if it's shooting up like this, okay, to areas that it has not been to, now let's look at this because I didn't even put this one here. It's almost up here. Okay, it has not. This is odd JPY now. Okay, it has not been at this level since August 11th, 2015, baby. Years. So guess what? We're going to position ourselves to wait and get in on these drops. And guess what? The ride back down to this one too is just unimaginable with pips. 7,000 pips all the way from where it is now to back to the other support levels, let alone all the way back down here. That's almost 20,000 pips. Literally, you can retire off these moves. I'm showing y'all. Retire off these moves. Okay? Pay off houses, pay off cars. You can literally eat for years off the moves that I'm showing you on this video. Don't say nobody didn't tell you. I'm telling you what I'm showing my people. Okay? This freebies that I'm giving out right now. All right? That's RJPY. Let's journey on to CHFJPY. Listen, all the JPY pairs, y'all better be on it. Coach Shanika said so. I'm telling y'all. Don't miss this money. All right? Once again, it's breaking areas. It's breaking the supports. It's coming back up. All right? This one too. The last time we were here, 2015. It's something significant about that 2015. Seemed like all the JPY pairs hadn't been in that area since 2015. That's another whole thing. Okay? 2015, this thing been to that area. Now we're back at it. Look at that sharp movement up. Nothing just goes straight up forever. It got to drop. And what are we going to do? Get in where we fit in when it's time. When it's time, this is how it should look. Okay? You got to have your shift of momentum down. Okay? Then your retest. Then the drop. My bad. Let's do it one more time. You got to have your shift down. Okay? Because you don't know. You're not going to know when to get in until, because if you just go get in now because you see sell, because you see it might be going down some, you might get ate alive in this market. And these sharks don't play. Okay? We're baby fish in a sea of sharks. Right? So you need your first impulse down. And then you need it to retest up. Right? But I don't want it to come way back up to my initial shift up in that resistance area, because I want to be more comfortable. Right? And then you can sell, right? So initial shift down for your impulse, let it retest back up some. If this low right here, this high right here is not higher than your original area where it was high last, then you can sell. And then you put your take profit at your next support level. That's your next major support level right here. Okay, let's point that out. It should look similar when you're getting into these trades. My take profit would be right in this area. My stop loss would be right here at the top of the resistance. Okay, for anyone that's wondering, how do I figure out take profit and stop loss? I teach my people about this all the time. If you are looking for a sell, your stop loss should be at your previous high. If you are looking for a buy, your stop loss should be at your previous low. Your take profit is always at the next level of support or resistance, depending upon which way you go. So don't just get into these major plays just because. You got to wait for your confirmations and your analysis to be working out. Okay? We have a nice strategy that we use on our group called the sniper shot strategy. And so we kind of, we just waiting. We got our alerts set. We got our stuff waiting. We waiting. And we're going to eat good. Okay? And so now you have the opportunity to be able to watch these pairs and do the same thing. Let's just go to another. Okay? Let's go to NZD JPY. It's all the JPY pairs, guys. We can, literally. Look, it's all of them. I've been showing my people this for weeks. It's all of them. Look at there. When's the last time that it hit this line? Let's get our horizontal line out and see. Our vertical line out and see. 2015 July. Something going on. I got to research 2015, see what happened in the JPY, in the Japanese yen. What happened? Why? Because all of them, it's been since 2015 since they've been at these levels. And every time it got close to this level, drop, comes up, drop, comes up, drop, pop, pop, comes up, drop, comes up. Guess what's going to happen? Drop. All right. So you have the opportunity to put all of these on your radar and get thousands. I want y'all to eat off these pairs. I'm talking about when you catch the moves, drop it on this video. Coach, I got me some pips. Coach, you was right on those JPYs. I'm literally so excited. We was able to get already 1,100 yesterday. All right. But we waiting on them thousands of pips to drop. Remember, I'm not telling you to get in now. I'm telling you when your confirmations line up, meaning again, your shift of momentum to the opposite directions. Remember, we want to go down. We do not want to go up. So it needs to shift down. Well, then you're telling it, I need you to come back up and what? Redo it again, retest. Let me see if you're really ready. And then if that high is not higher than the previous, what do I mean? I'm going to show you. If this high is not higher than here, then I take my sell. Target area. Stop loss. Eat for days. Literally. Eating for days off these plays. Okay? So listen, I want my YouTube family to eat too. So I said, listen, let me go over some of these big thousands of pip move plays that we're doing so that you can have the opportunity to get in. Let's try another. Let's do GBP. I mean, all of them. Like literally. All of them. Listen, look at it. I already had it written up for my team. Look at it. I ain't even gonna go back to see when it was. So this was 2016 for that one. Look, still, you still eating, waiting. We wait. Okay, I already got my levels and stuff up. We wait. All of the JPY pairs, guys. Okay, all of it. Listen, y'all cannot take those suggestions and not eat and not kill the market if you want to. But for generational wealth builders, for lead and head coach Shanika and her crew, we're going to be eating. We ate 1,100 pips yesterday. We're going to be eating off these JPY pairs, baby, okay? We're going to have patience, though. And we're going to get in on that sniper move, on that strategy that we got, and we're going to be eating for days and weeks. All right. And you now have the opportunity to do that as well. Of course, you need to know something about the market, though. You can't just press sell. You're going to get ate alive. I'm not suggesting that. Okay. You need to make sure you know something about market structure and go ahead and get you a bag. Okay. As always, if you are looking for a coach, right, one that cares about her people, one that will work with you to try to get you to that level, if you are willing to put in the work, you can always click that link below. It comes straight to my website. You can look at the services, grab whatever package that fits you, and let's get started. Or you can text Coach Me to 803-795-8361. Again, area code 803-795-8361, and the U.S. code is 1 for anyone that is out of the country that want that U.S. code. So it's 1-803-795-8361. Text Coach Me, or you can hit the link right there at the bottom, y'all. Okay, and go straight to the website, grab your package, and let's get started. The longer you wait, the more money you're going to be missing out of. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get to work. If you're not, I'll see you soon. Y'all have a good day.